Hi boys and girls, welcome to the OWL Writers Workshop Day 2. Today we are going to be focusing on a topic sentence in a picture. There are some materials you need. You need to set your timer for 15 minutes. You need a pencil, crayons, and your paper. Pause the video and get your materials. As a quick refresher, an opinion is how you feel, how you think or feel about something. When someone wants to know your opinion about something, it sounds like this. Which type of pizza is the best? An example would be, Michelle thinks that pepperoni pizza is the best type of pizza. To start our writing, there are many ways that we can do that. We can start out by saying, my favorite, I believe, in my opinion, I think, I feel, I prefer. You get to pick any of these opinion starters. Here's what I'm picking, and you do not have to pick the same thing as me. Here we go. I'm going to pick in my opinion. In my opinion. What do you think of my writing so far? Did I stay on the line? No, let me fix that. I'm noticing some people are either writing too small or too big, or they're not staying on the line. Let's make sure we do those things. Here we go. Oh, much better. In my opinion. My favorite drink is Dr. Pepper. We're going to be talking all about our favorite thing to drink. My favorite thing to drink is Dr. Pepper because I love soda. But I want you to pick your favorite drink. I don't want anyone else picking Dr. Pepper. After you write your opinion starter and what your favorite drink is, you will do your picture. So here's my writing. I stated my opinion and I did my picture. Go ahead and pause the video and do those things. And you're done for the day.